Shout out to all my ladies. If you're dealing with a man without a plan, send his broke ass home.
Hi guys, Mimi here. So whoever previously had followed my channel, whatever, you see that I had officially introduced myself in the last video, so you guys know who this girl is, who this child is, who's bringing these hair tutorials, so I figured I'll introduce myself to you guys and whatnot, so you guys know who I am, who you're talking to, who you're watching. So being that this is my first official video on YouTube, support a sister, drop a subscribe if y'all kind of like me or like my stuff. Y'all can also follow me on the gram, which is at Mimi Styles. I'm gonna drop it at the bottom if you guys want a link to my Instagram account as well. But let's get into the video. So this video, I want to give you guys a tutorial on basically this wig that I got on right now. This is an Amazon bought product, 26 inches, brownish red from Amazon. It was about $90. Honestly, Amazon is the clutch. Of course, you could see the link right over here. I'll drop it at the bottom so you guys could go on, support Amazon and their wigs. It is an HD wig also, by the way. Furthermore, I kind of want to give you guys a tutorial on how you wash, dye, and basically just install the wig. I know a lot of people who usually go on Instagram or go on YouTube and kind of post their wig installs. You can't really see a tutorial of it, and me personally, I know for myself, I be struggling. When I first started this, I was like, what cap am I supposed to use? How long am I supposed to leave the dye in for? How long am I supposed to leave the blow dryer for?
I don't know. My life's in.
That's what I'm here for. I'm here to give you guys a tutorial of what you're supposed to do as somebody who's suffered herself. So before I dive into the dyeing and the wash and install, which I'm going to go through that with all of you guys, I do want to introduce the product that I used to shampoo and condition the wig. So this product right here, you can kind of see it a little bit. This is the Born to Repair Nourishing Shampoo. This is a really good product. Honestly, I discovered it because it's really good with heat damage. Honestly, it's the shampoo and the conditioner from Born to Repair, same product, the Carol's Daughter. And it also comes with a 60-minute treatment for any of those who have heat damage and things like that. You do the shampoo and conditioner and then the treatment, and then there's also a reviving oil as well that you add into your hair after the wash and condition. Of course, I use these products on the wig because it makes it really soft, really easy to detangle and whatnot, especially when you're dealing with curly wigs. A lot of times they get tangled or they get knotted. Out the box, sometimes it doesn't really happen, but if you of course continuously wear it, it will become a little bit crispy. So of course, I will also drop the links to these are also Amazon's finest as well, so you guys can also check it out at the bottom. I will of course reintroduce the product as well when I wash the wig, so you guys will kind of see what I'm talking about and how it's worked within the wig, and you'll kind of see that. But we can dive into the video, and so I'll show you guys basically just the bleaching the knots process. 30 minutes to bleach the knots, leave it on there, and afterwards when you wash it off and whatnot like that, then we'll get into the install. So how about we let's go, guys. Okay, so hi, totally ignore pajamas, pants. You ain't gotta worry about all that. But these are basically the Born to Repair. This is an awesome product. I'll tell you more about it later, not right now. But it's amazing. Heat damage, repairs it. Y'all can see a little bit of what's going on up here. Don't even worry about it. But all right, I'm about to do the process with y'all. So it's basically already bleached. 𝒱𝓬𝒹𝓏𝑜𝓃. I'm sorry y'all, I'm also still learning, so don't come with me, teach me. But anyways, yeah, so it's pretty much already bleached, but the next step is washing it. Always wash your wigs like after you bleach it and anything like that, because always make sure you shampoo and condition, folks. All right, you don't want any of those chemicals on your scalp or anything like that. That's weird. That's weird. It'll come out.
I just got in a whole brand new bag. I'm rolling around like I missed it. Elliot, jewelry moving like juice. Knocking out both in the hit. Look, I just leveled up, I thank God. Straight from the hood, now it's time to get the pie. Swipe prison blood, look, I just leveled up, I thank God. Straight from the hood, now it's time to get the pie. Swipe prison blood, you can see it in my eyes.
Feeling sexy. I can make you overdose, make it overflow it. You let me. Like a river, my waterfalls will break down and let it. You gon' get soaked, so bring a raincoat. When we finish, you gon' see a rainbow. Come swim in my waters like a sailboat. You just make it lost in it like Nemo. Come sip on it, it's I drip on it. You gon' have to change my name to H2O. You love it when I call you Daddy. Storms will come. Make me overflow. Can you stand the rain? When we get done, I still want some more. I'm just trying to keep it real, but you can't raise a man. He's already grown, what you gon' do? You wonder why he acts like a boy. It's 'cause he wasn't raised right before you. Girl, you ain't never gon' change nobody. If he don't wanna, you can't make nobody. 'Cause you can't raise a man. No, no. Coming home any time of night, expecting you to let it ride. How many tears are you gonna cry? Playing games like you'll never lose. You know that the love has changed. How many times he called you out your name? These are the signs of a grown-ass boy. Better run for the hills, I'm just keeping it real. 'Cause you can't raise a man. He's already grown, what you gon' do? You wonder why he acts like.
Yeah, I'm just greedy like Chubbs with a hustle like Pooh. Trying to get it out the mud like what else I'm supposed to do. It was in my blood, my family even knew. 22 I blew, I owe everything to true. Something out of nothing, that's a cold situation. Know they probably hot, but they froze in the faces. I didn't even rush, I was chosen but patient. Feeling like Russ, I went gold out the basement. Get it by the cases, running eagle chains by the dozen. Told gang that I love him, it's a whole celebration. Barely getting started, but still gotta embrace it. When it's from the bottom, it's a different foundation. Yeah, it's a different bag waiting on the other side. I just wanna live in salvation. We ain't had enough, peeking down, but they know who coming up. And I'm still on my way, but the top don't look too far for me. Never caught off, not one day. And I'm still on my way, still on my way. And I'm still on my way. Gold out the basement, get it by the cases. Running eagle chains by the dozen. Told gang that I love him, it's a whole celebration. Barely getting started, but still gotta embrace it. When it's from the bottom, it's a different foundation. Yeah, it's a different bag waiting on the other side. I just wanna live in salvation. We ain't had enough. Peeking down, but they know who coming up. And I'm still on my way. But the top don't look too far for me. Never caught off, not one day. And I'm still on my way. Still on my way. And I'm still on my way.